Yo, mic check, mic check, mic check. Yo, oh, yo, yo. 1 second. Let me. Yo, can you guys hear me? Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. All right. So, can you guys hear me? Oh. All right. Some can hear. Damn, this shit is hella delayed. Damn, if you guys follow me on live on YouTube, wow, what a fucking delay. Sheesh. Alright, hold on. Yeah, you guys on YouTube, oh my god, you guys get it fucking delayed. It's crazy. My day's pretty good. Alright, let's get started. Bro, we caught some nasty sales right now. Real quick, hold on though. Premium, yo, premium chat. Whoever's in, if anyone's on the live from the premium chat right now, bro, just say yes. Just say yes. That shit was fucking sniper entry, bro. Bro, this shit was fucking wild. The premium chat fucking ate. Here, like, I'm gonna send you guys a screenshot. Look. Look, that's how you know I was excited as fuck. Shit was. Shit is fucking crazy, bro. 1 second. I'm gonna give people time to join, and then we'll get started. Just look at the outcome, bro. Sheesh. Bro. This shit was phenomenal. Phenomenal, bitch. Alright, fuck it, let's get started. I don't want to give you guys FOMO. Let's get fucking started. Yeah, we were in sales. We caught it. Look, I'm gonna go through why I took sales. And this was like the most aggressive trade I probably took in all fucking year, but it's something that I was stupid. I don't want to say I was stupid. I went stupid size for stupid reward. Like, this shit paid me, but let me explain why. So obviously you guys remember from earlier today, right? First things first, you guys remember today on the Discord, I alerted put for a swing saying, hey, I'm confident that we continue lower. I'm trading the larger time frame setup, right? As you guys can see, we sold off. Who can guess why I was super confident to continue lower? Who can guess why I was confident that we're going to reject off of that zone? One of the biggest thing, I'll give you guys a hint, is they like to use the news to deliver the price where they want it, right? So I'm gonna give you guys an example. So everyone that's here right now, I want you guys to do me a favor. Everyone that's on live with me today, I want for you guys to go ahead and grab a notebook, pen, pencil, whatever the fuck it is. I want you guys to bring that right now, and I want you guys to write down some notes, right? So the reason we took these sales today, the reason we sold off, I know everyone may be thinking this is a random sell-off. This is a sell-off that shouldn't have happened. This is fucking stupid. The market is bullshit, right? Oh my god. Yo, premium, we're up 80 fucking points here. Who feels like that? Who feels like this sell-off was fucking stupid or pointless? I'm gonna ask the chat real quick. Who feels like this sell-off was stupid, and then who feels like this sell-off was based off of something? I just want to see everyone's opinions real quick before I continue. So I want everyone to tell me what they felt, this setup was. Excuse me. Excuse me. Because I'm super, 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 super excited for what's about to happen. Like, you guys don't understand how excited I am. Where the fuck is this? Okay. Based off something. Okay. Exactly, right? So, if you guys paid attention to the overview I posted last night, if you guys paid attention to the larger time frame setup, you guys can see that this is based off the 4-hour time frame setup, right? This pump here, what is something I always say? They will use the news to deliver the price where they want it, right? They're always going to use the news to deliver where they want it. What was the news? The news was some bullshit about Japan and US, having an agreement or something together, blah, 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 blah. So much fucking bullshit. Fuck all that, right? Now, the news was to pump it into there. What was the bad news now? The bad news was Trump with, obviously, Iran, right? I don't want to meet the supreme leader. We don't need a deal with Iran to get their enrichment of uranium. They cannot have a nuclear weapon. If they killed US troops, it would be a good reason to restart conflict, right? These are all news that's currently happening after hours right now. So what was this bullshit ass pump? This was just a manipulation move to trap bulls to think we're going to go higher. Why is that? Because everyone thinks because we're at all-time high, we're going to continue higher. I long when I need to long. I short when I need to long. I do not give a fuck what my bias is for the day. I strictly will trade what the chart is fucking telling me. Now, how did I know we were going to sell off? How did I catch these sells here? It's as simple as this. Before we close on today, we knew that from last night, we broke on the 4-hour time frame. We broke below the low on the 4-hour time frame with this candle here. So I knew that this was my 4-hour high. So for me to switch my bias from being bearish on the 4-hour to be bullish, I needed this 4-hour high here to break above on the 4-hour to say, hey, we're going to break above. And if I'm to take my 4-hour fibs from the high to the low, look at that, right at the fucking premium. I cannot make up the fucking 4 steps anymore. It's right in your fucking face every single fucking day, every single fucking time, every single fucking trade. It's right there, guys. All you need to do is be confident in yourself, have a process, have a fucking strategy, and follow it every single fucking time. I'm sorry for cursing, but it's as simple as that. Mentees, you guys have been with me for this first week. Have I or have I not told you guys this whole time your 4-step strategy, your highs and your lows? Did I not say to know your highs and lows? The break of structure. We broke the 4-hour. Did it break above your high? So right now, mentees, do you have a new high on the 4-hour? Yes or no? I want to see if you guys get this shit right. Yo, premium chat, we're up 100 points here. Fuck. Hold on. I need a trim. I need a trim. Pablo, you happy, huh? I know you're fucking happy, bro. Lil Renner going stupid. Lil Alright. Can I repeat that? No, I cannot, bro. Fuck no, I cannot repeat that. 120 points here, premium chat. Yo, 100. Sorry, my goes. Oh my god, this is fucking stupid. Okay, anyways, whatever the fuck I was saying, I don't even remember. But this is based off your 4-hour time frame. So it's a simple buy to sell. You guys heard me say this from before close. We're going to see. You guys saw me, the whole chat. You guys saw me type how many times I say I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. I'm so happy. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is something that I love to trade. I love trading the downside. So seeing this buy to sell, seeing the 4-hour, seeing it retest the premium, seeing it on ES, right? Let's see if I can pull it up. Seeing it on ES. This is clear as fucking day. This is the clear as fucking day M. Buy to fucking sell. That is the model that we trade. It's a buy to sell or a sell to buy. Does everyone understand that? whether on my YouTube, whether on my Discord. Do you guys understand why this is a buy to sell model? The simple reason why this is a buy to sell model. What does buy to sell mean? They're going to buy the market up with some bullshit ass news, and they're going to sell it off with some bullshit ass news. So what did they do all day? They swept the lows, held the lows, bought to fill the gap. We broke on the lows on the 4 hour. It's a beautiful M. Buy to sell it off on the 4 hour. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. They locked your account because you made 2K. What firm are you with, bro? I'll leave the fuck out of them. Anyways, whatever the point is, that is fucking beautiful, right? So let's go ahead and get started with the fucking overview, because I am so excited for tomorrow. We can make stupid. We already made stupid money tonight. So honestly, maybe I might not even trade tonight, but maybe for the rest of the Discord, I might. Premium chat, you guys can take the day off. You guys are well off. You guys, yeah, you definitely do not trade tomorrow. You're good. You guys are up at least $500 or $600 tonight. Anyways, besides the point. So that is why I took these sells. Why I took this setup was based off the 4 hour time frame. It was a simple buy to sell setup. I did take some XPX today. I'm gonna be honest with you guys as well. I'm not gonna front with you guys and say I don't lose. I did take some XPX because I took some XPX puts anticipating this move. They chopped me up all day. I lost on the XPX. So I lost 2,000 on XPX and I loaded up 3,000 on QQQ puts. Currently, I'm deep in the money on QQQ puts. These puts should open up about 300% tomorrow. So give or take, I'm up. I put 3K in it. Give or take, I'm up like 7K on this position. I make back my XPX loss and I make back some green. So tomorrow I'm expecting to be up at least 2 to 3K up from just options in the morning, and that is something I'm going to be very happy for. So that is one thing I'm looking for. Anyways, so yeah, 4 hour buy to sell, tap the premium, boom, reject it. Okay, so what do I currently want to see? We have 31 more minutes, or we're being exact, to close below the 4 hour low. I wouldn't say 4 hour low, but to close below the previous day low on the 4 hour time frame. So if we can break below this 4 hour time frame on the previous day low, I'm going to now look for a retracement into the breakup structure here to then target 29,862. I'll say it one more time because I want this shit on YouTube and I want to prove to you guys how this shit works tomorrow. Tomorrow's NFP, what they're going to do is they're going to pump us up into NFP, and then they're going to sell us off into 29,862. I'll say it one more time because I'm super fucking confident in this. If I'm wrong, I fucking suck ass. So I'll say it right now on YouTube. This is recorded. Tomorrow, what I expect NFP to do is to retest us and then continue to sell off the rest of the New York session. I am super confident in that. So now that we caught our TP on our sells, the premium chat, we're good. We don't need to trade anymore. I don't need to look for any more setups here. All I need to do now is wait for this 4 hour close to close below the previous day low, and I just need to wait for the news tomorrow morning, and find the setup that's there already for me. So that is what we're currently going to do. So we're going to mark up our levels. We have our previous day low, previous day high. We're going to go our 4 hour here, our 4 hour high, cool, continuation, our next low here. Okay, cool. Let's go into our 1 hour now. As you guys can see, the hourly, we've been selling off. We sold off damn near 550 something fucking points. That's insane. 550 points, guys, and just pretty much from close till right now. That's insane. That's fucking insanity, bro. That's not normal and that's not good. That's not healthy, if I'm being honest with you guys. But that is what it was supposed to do because the chart told us, the larger time frame told us this is what it wanted. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to draw up my fibs from the high to the low on the hourly, because I currently have an hourly close below previous day low. I don't have a 4 hour close below previous day low just yet. So we're going to mark up our 1 hour 50%. So like I said, whether it's London session, whether it's NFP tomorrow morning, I'm going to wait for a retracement into this zone to continue to short. Does it make sense for me to short here? Let's just give you an example. Does it make sense for me to short here, to take profit here, and then my stop loss be here? Would you guys short this? Yes or no? I want to see the answers. Would you guys short this? Yes or no? No. Okay. No. Heck nah. Cool. No. Right? It doesn't make fucking sense. Right? So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for a retracement. If I don't get that retracement, oh fucking well. I'll wait for next week. Simple as that. I want to be confident that we break on the 4 hour and retest on the hourly, because Who can tell me what do you guys see on the hourly right now? Before I give you guys an idea, what do you guys see on the hourly here, chat? What do you guys see? I'll write down my rules and some. I don't know what you said. I'll write down my rules and I'll break it at some point. I need to change it. What's your rules, bro? First things first, tell me what your rule is. Oh, whoa. Head, shoulders, MMMS. I don't know what the fuck you're saying, T-Lock. Get this shit out of my chat, T-Lock. You piss me off. Another bite to sell. Good job, Brandon. Good job, Night Mode. Good job, Demo. Good job, Petracho. Good job, Demo. I don't know what the fuck T-Lock is talking about, but it's a buy to sell. It's a M. It's a beautiful M. I'm sorry, T-Lock. I love you, bro, but sometimes you be on some bullshit, bro. This is what I'm looking for. Market maker sell model. This motherfucker makes life complicated, bro. Just tell me it's a fucking buy to sell. Fuck a market maker sell model, bro. Just give me a buy to sell, bro. Fuck, man. What the fuck, man? Fuck, dude. I write down my. All right. So yeah. So now what I'm waiting for is a retest into this here. Okay. So let's go over why would I love the 50%. All right. So we have a buy to sell, but we also have an inverse fair value gap here on the 4 hour. We will now fill this 4 hour gap in the next 26 minutes. So I can mark this up as my 4 hour inverse. I'm sorry, T-Log. I'm sorry, bro, but sometimes, bro. All right, so I'll be waiting for a retracement into here. Let's go break it down 30-minute. Okay, cool. So perfect. If we can retrace the 1 hour here, we know that we have this 30-minute order block here. So I'll just mark this up as my 30-minute order block as well. So this, we need to absolutely stay below this, right? And if I go down to the 15-minute, I'm pretty sure it's going to be my 15-minute or my 5-minute high. Yep, this is my 5-minute high. I don't need to mark that up. I just need to leave my 30-minute order block here. So 30-minute order block here. So wait for a retracement, wait for it to come and retest here, stay below this high, see something like this, see something like this, and another buy to sell, and then continue lower into the 29862 level. Now, this can all change for me if we hold the previous day low on the 4 hour. If we hold the previous day low on the 4 hour, I got hyped for absolutely no fucking reason. That would be so stupid. I really hope we don't. I really hope we break it. But I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm not gonna bullshit you guys. I'm gonna tell you the truth. But yeah. So that's pretty much that. Hourly 30, 15. I don't need to mark up anything else. I just need to wait for a retracement. Cool. I wouldn't want to long this. I mean, you could long this, but you know, you're taking a risk that you're going to long. Let's say something like this happens, right? I'm gonna just give you guys an example. Let's say you're trying to long this and you're waiting for the 5-minute break above this high, right? You're going to try to long this on a 5-minute time frame, knowing that we sold off on the hourly, and then you're going to get bagged because what they're going to try to do is still close the previous day low on the 4 hour time frame. You have 24 minutes, so I'd be cautious of that. And that's just a little idea, a little hint if you guys want to be careful. I'm just gonna be straight up with you guys. All right, cool. So that's pretty much it for NQ. Everyone understand everything I went over so far? Yes or no? Everyone following along? I was so hyped. My energy's coming down now, but I was so hyped. Does everyone understand why I'm so hyped? Ooh, I need some water. Where the fuck is my water? Yes. Okay, cool. YouTube, do you guys understand YouTube? I know my Discord understands. They see me every fucking day. But YouTube, do you guys understand? I'm going to give you guys like 15 to 30 seconds because I know you guys have a nasty delay. So I'll give you guys time. I'm going to mark up my previous day low. I'm going to mark up my previous day high. Man, I can't believe I was so right. Like, it just makes me happy. It makes me happy knowing, like, damn, I'm like really good at this, bro. Like, I'm really good at this. Like, days like today are just a prime example that like really like proved to me, and proved not just to me but everyone, like, damn, this motherfucker knows what the fuck he's talking about. Like, he's not stupid. Oh, look at that. We're right at the hourly sell to buy on ES. So we could bounce here. Would I want to play the bounce? Nah. Not my cup of tea here. Knowing that we're selling off. So what does the sell to buy mean? Beautiful W. Boom. Sell to buy to sell off more. That's what I'm looking at. Everyone screenshot this. If I'm wrong, I'm never gonna say it, but yeah. So this is what we're looking at here. 4 hour, we're getting close below the imbalance. 1 hour, we haven't broken just yet. Mark this up here. I don't care about any of these lows anymore. I don't care about this. 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 I care about this though. Let's go 30-minute. We broke the 30-minute right here, right? So 30-minute high to low. So what I want to see is a retracement into the 50% on the 30-minute, which should be here. 30-minute. Oh, hold on now. Hold on now, chief. Wait for retracement into here. Oh man. Alright, set my alert here. I'm gonna tell you guys something after this whole overview, okay? I'm gonna tell you guys something. Do you guys think I'm doing a good job explaining everything to you guys right now? Do you guys understand? Alright, so 30-minute here. Yeah, alright, cool. Just remember why I asked you guys this. At the end of this, we're gonna get off YouTube and I'm explaining to you guys. 15-minute high here. All right, cool. So really, we can bounce here to retest a 30-minute and then continue selling off, right? So what I'm expecting is retest off the hourly premium on the sell to buy, which is the W, to retest the 30-minute, stay below the 15-minute high, look for something like this, and then continue into previous day low. Pretty much that's what I would want to target. Okay, everyone understand that? Cool. And then look, I'm gonna show you guys. Marco, are you on here? Marco Polo. Thank you, buys was good after the sell off. Yeah, but that's only because it hit the premium. But you don't just take it at the premium either. You gotta wait for a shift on the 1 minute or 5 minute or whatever it is. Okay, so you guys remember the, I don't know if he's on here. Marco, are you on here, bro? Oh, he's not. Damn. All right, well, look, yeah, fuck that motherfucker. He be asking 100 questions. Next time he asks a question, fuck him. All right, so you guys remember when I sent the chart, he was like, what am I supposed to do with this chart? What does this mean? So the reason I sent this chart was because if you guys can clearly see, if you guys follow the steps, the hourly broke below the low. It came to retest the hourly from the fibs, which was right here. Came to retest the premium. If you look at the 4 hour, same thing. Came to retest the gap, boom. And I expected rejection. That's why I took QQ puts. Simple as that, right? Where are we at? You know, right now we're currently like 733 or something like that. So then my job now is to really focus on something that needs to happen. So why did we bounce today? It's not so random. I tell you guys all the time. I use the 4 steps, whether for shorts or long. How is it so convenient that we bounce off right off the daily imbalance and the daily premium? Can I make this up for you guys? Did I or did I not have these levels ready the night before for you guys? Yes, right? You guys can even see it on SPY. We bounced off right from the daily premium as well. I can't make this shit up. We bounced off from the daily premium to retest the 4 hour time frame here because we broke below the low here. So we retested and continue lower, right? This is a premium, rejected the premium at close. That's why I want to XPX. So I want to QQ puts, blah, 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 blah. I was so fucking confident. So now I just need to look for a downshift on the larger time frame and the small time frame on QQ and SPY. So let's go ahead and do SPY real quick and then we'll be done for the night. Previous day high, previous day low. Let's go with the 4 hour. Boom, boom, boom. We already know what happened. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, the hourly did go bullish, so we need to break below the low. But I'm not going to be dumb. I also know I'm not going to fight that knowing that we broke on the hourly. So what am I going to do? I'm going to draw up my hourly fibs on the bullish side as well, right? Because I'm not going to be dumb and just say we're gonna sell off all the way. No, because whatever can happen tomorrow, they can do some bullshit as news and they can probably continue higher, right? So I don't want to be caught by surprise. Damn, why do we bounce here? No, I want to be sure I know why. If anything, if we do bounce off of any of these levels, I want to have an idea why would we bounce off these levels. So what am I going to do? I'm going to mark up my 1 hour fibs for the sell to buy model, which is the W, because I know that the hourly is bullish, the 4 hour is bearish. So what do I always say, as you guys can hear me 100 times, time frames work as a domino effect. So the hour did go bullish, it might be targeting the 4 hour to go bullish, right? And if that's the case, it needs to come and retest these levels and hold, right? So I'm going to be prepared for either side, whether it's the short side or whether it's the long side. So I'm just going to be smart about that. I'm not going to be dumb. And then before close today, did we or did we not have a 15-minute shift here, guys? Yes or no? I just want to see if you guys are learning. Did we or did we not break this 15-minute low to the downside? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Okay, cool. So what can I possibly do on the 15-minute? I can draw my fibs from the high to the low. I can draw my fibs and just let my 15-minute 50%, blah, 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 set my alert, and just let it do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Cool. Now I can go to QQ. So that's done. I can go to my daily time frame, mark up my previous day low. And then I can mark up my previous day high here. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Previous day low, previous day high. And then I can go to my 4-hour time frame. Cool. What happened? We broke the low. Cool. We retested the gap. Cool. Let's go into my hourly. Then we retest the hourly. Boom. High to low. Oh, wow. We rejected the premium. Cool. Let's go into the 30-minute. What do I see here? Okay. I know my 30-minute low is down here. Okay. So then if tomorrow we open up anywhere between the zone, I know what's my next low. It wants to continue lower. It's going to be my 30-minute low. And I also know what low needs to hold if I want to look for long side, right? So we know this 30-minute needs to hold if we want to look for upside. Now, did my 15-minute low break here? No, not yet. This wasn't a low that created a new high, so I need this 15-minute here to break. Wait 1 second. I want to give you guys a wrong high. Low, sorry. I actually need this 15-minute low here to break for what? What do I need this to break for, guys? Who can tell me? What do I need this to break for, guys? And if it does break, 2 questions here. What do I need this low to break for, and what would form if this 15-minute low breaks? I want to see if you guys are learning. This is going to show me who's really paying attention and who's just bullshitting me. Who's a signal ball and who's actually trying to learn this shit. Damn, my room's so it's so dark even with this light. A break for continuation, wrong. But yes, wrong, right and wrong. That's not the answer I want. Okay, you're going somewhere, Tavo, but who can tell me what low is that, guys? Who can tell me what the low is? Someone has to know. I'm not moving forward till someone answers the right answers. Created the high. Come on, mentees. Everyone should answer this correctly. Good job, Brandon. Good job. That's my external low. Need this to break, and if that breaks, I would now have a buy to sell to target this low. Come here, boom, and then target my 4-hour. Right? Boom. Everyone screenshot this. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, so my levels are marked up here. Boom, blah, 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 blah. And Q. All right, YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed this overview. Pretty simple what I'm waiting for. Don't get FOMO. Wait for a retracement. If you don't get a retracement, don't feel like you missed out anything because the low is down here. So do not be fucking dumb. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna end the stream because I need to have a personal talk with my Discord. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.